Them no know, them no know, them no know. So me a real top girl. So it's 6 more days until my trip. And I just told my brother, he not even knowing that I'm coming down, bro. It's not a friend of mine. It's me. I'm coming. I told him that I was gonna send some stuff for him and my grandmother for end of the month with a friend. But I was trying to surprise him, but I don't know how I'm gonna surprise my brother because I'm always posting on WhatsApp. And the moment I post on WhatsApp, he's gonna see it. And if he's not gonna see it, somebody's gonna see it, and somebody's gonna tell him that I'm there. So I don't think I could surprise him. The moment I land in Jamaica, I'm gonna have to tell him I'm there. I'm gonna have to tell him I'm there, and then I'm gonna have to go see him. I'm going down there, like I said, for 1 day. So yeah, I got some stuff on Fashion Nova for my brother, and it just came. And I was just on video call with him, showing him. But I was like, so you get these by the end of the month. Sorry, I didn't do my hair yet. Morning, guys. Today's Saturday, but I'm gonna get up and brush my teeth and wash my face and bathe. And I'm not just gonna make some breakfast. It's 9:40. Just some chia seeds. And then, oh, just boom, just sea moss. Not putting more in that because if I do, it's going to overpower the smoothie. I don't like the taste. So I was looking. Breakfast. See what you see. I'll make my only smoothies. So good. So it's pineapple, papaya, banana, something else. What's for stuff? 9:45. I'm about to go drink this. Make a peanut butter sandwich. No jam, just peanut butter on it. So good. Catfish not here. Anyway, I'm gonna have to change my shirt because I came in my room and I had to put my sweater on. And it's gonna snow. What in the world? I don't know if it's snow now. But I still gotta go outside because I got shit to do. But yeah, I go outside. 37 degrees. Can't bother. I put on my long sleeve shirt because I just flat iron my hair. A little bit of rains. Hey y'all. Oh damn, I just missed the bus. What's that called? Listen. So it's on the out and out there freeze. We play the song, y'all. Them no know, them no know, them no know. So me a real top girl. So long for the bus. Outside 8 minutes. We got a Dollar Tree go wait in our camera now. Yo, it's cold out here, man. Facts. Let me take this for the bus. Over there. That needs to be warm. I ain't got a bun. Okay, 1 minute. I'm out. 1 minute. I was not playing. They came in Dollar Tree too. Look, on the street. Look. Empty. a lot of projects over here. I used to live over that project over there. I used to live over there in like 2016. What's this called? Okay. I'm back. I'll just take your temperature, okay? Wasn't bad, right?
You want to take this right here?
Thank you. Thank you. COVID test. I came outside in the snowflakes. I'm about to go in the 35 to the Church Avenue for a little bit. I wasn't in there long. It wasn't that long. Quick as that.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on.
So meanwhile, I'm waiting for my hair to be, treated. I am gonna make me a smoothie. I got cucumbers, spinach, those inside looking, the celery, chia seeds, and some strawberries. I put some, I got this spinach. Oh, fuck. I'm making a mess. Just watch this, so hot. Just watch the, stuff, so you make it, throw it in there. Put some in there. I thought it was hot. Alright. We'll put the water. Some water in there. I really want a green smoothie, I feel like I'm gonna put some more cucumbers in there. I got 15 minutes to wash this thing on my hair because it's starting to drip. It be dripping on my face. But look at the amount of hair I took out. Not that much, right? I forgot how, I think my hair, I had the braiding for I think it was a month I had the braiding for. But I forgot all about the friggin' rice water. You know how long I had that rice water sitting there? But it doesn't smell. It's not gonna smell because I put some oils in there. I put olive oil, coconut oil, and tea tree oil, and I just shake it up so it won't smell.
So Cabrera got played, huh? Alright. Now we're even.
Not gonna lie, I had Burger King today. I had Burger King today when I was outside because I was outside for a while. I was hungry. After I ate that smoothie, I didn't eat nothing for the rest of the day. I had Burger King at like around 4 o'clock. It was a chicken sandwich though. It wasn't like a burger. Right. Listen. I'm trying to wash it out.
Mama say, mama sa, mama kusa. Mama say, mama sa, mama kusa.
Good. Rice water. It settles at the bottom. Shake it up. It's a little small compared to if you ain't never had no oil to it. That should really stink up the whole place. Ooh.
fight so much? If we have a problem, why can't we just talk it through like Tom and Helen? They don't fight. They don't fight because they're scared to fight. What's that supposed to mean? You know damn well what it means. If you two ever really started going at one another, inside of 5 minutes, he'd be calling you. Don't say nigga.
I shouldn't be laughing. First of all, my son wears men's sneakers now. That size good enough for him. So I buy him a size 8. Damn, look at that smoothie. Ooh. It's my dinner. So this is me packing. I'm using these bags because I got a lot of them. So I'm packing. Ooh, what time is it? I'm phone there.
Yeah.
No.
2 more days until my trip. No. My brother's going to be coming. I'm mashing on the floor. Because I have a long night ahead of me. I am supposed to finish packing. I have to put some stuff in my hand luggage, which I'm gonna wash tomorrow because I have to do laundry. No, don't mind the floor, because you know what happens when I go somewhere. It's messy. Anyways, but yeah, I'm almost finished. Morning, people. Listen. So today is Monday. I don't know why I'm up so early because I don't even have work today. And I mean, I've been took the whole week off, but I forgot. I think today's a holiday. It's Washington's birthday. My mommy shirt that I'm sleeping in. But yeah, today is the 21st, and tomorrow, Tuesday, I'm a be in Jamaica. My family don't even know I'm coming. My brother don't even know I'm coming. My grandmother don't know. The only person I told is my cousin. It's one of my cousins. Sorry, D'Angelo, let me check you. I had to, because listen, I know he gonna get excited and open his mouth, so that's why I didn't tell you, okay? But and I'm not going down there. Like I'm gonna be in Montego Bay. And I'm going with my friends, so me and her gonna be in Montego Bay, and then I'm gonna go see them on Friday. I'm just waiting to touch down and eat some jerk chicken and some KFC. Even though they raise the prices, I'm still gonna buy KFC because I have to. Like, I cannot go to Jamaica and not eat KFC. Cause I don't eat KFC here, so early in the morning, I don't know I'm getting up so early because I was packing last night and I had to go do laundry today. Today I have to get my eyebrows done. I gotta get my nails done. Yes, I'm gonna do my nails. Yeah, mani and a pedicure. I'm gonna do white nails. I think I'll go all white. I never did that before, so short too. Cause I can't be bothered with the long nails. I don't got time. So yeah. Oh yeah, and I did tell my dad because he's the only period I have left. So I have to tell him that I'm gonna be out the country. I could do my eyebrows myself, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna let them do it professional. Cause I can't tell the last time I went to them to do my eyebrows. You know what? It depends on how much they're gonna charge me. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna ask because I don't know if they raise the prices or not. But my eyebrows, they don't want to be done that much. But I have the little thing that I could, do it myself. Because I did it before. So I might do the eyebrows myself. And then I'm going to make sure my nails is done. I just hope my nails don't mess up. Because every time I put on nails, something happens. And it end up like bend over. Like when I was like that shit hurt. That's why I don't be caring to my nails. Because like I told you, my whole body is sensitive. It's self-care day today. Doing laundry, making a pedi. Listen, I cannot tell the last time I got a pedi and a manicure. I'm not gonna lie. When the last time I got a pedi and a manicure? Wow. I think, if I'm not mistaken, to be honest, that was like 2000 and, was it 18 or 17, 18, when I was living in Canarsie, and I had yellow, like I got my nails and my feet yellow. I think I was going to Jamaica too. No. I was going on the trip with Kimani. We went to, that was my birthday trip. Yeah, I went to take Turk and Caicos with him, and I got yellow. Was it yellow? No. I was blue. It was blue. Alright, so I did get yellow one time, but it was blue. So yeah, that was the birthday trip. We had it's the last time I got a mini in the pretty girl. Yeah, I don't even go to the thing like that. I'm not gonna lie. I could do it myself here. The only thing I can't do is my nails, and I don't really care for nails. So, but I did say I'm gonna start, treating myself better, like taking care of myself. It's back to the trip. It's gonna be lit. I'm so excited. Kimberly's more excited than me. She is more excited than me. Like, I mean, I'm excited, but Kimberly is like 10 times excited because this is our first trip together. I'm about to turn up in Jamaica, like eat all the good food. Listen, when we down there, we ain't watching no weight. Okay, we gonna eat. Okay, that's why I was trying to get my body right, kinda right. Listen, I don't got time. Y'all gonna get whatever body y'all get. That's it. Simple as that. I'm gonna have a smoothie for breakfast. Yeah. Out of my, carbs. Last night I had a green smoothie with peanut butter sandwich. I want rice so bad, but I just eat rice when I'm in Jamaica. I was packing last night, and I was talking to my brother yesterday too. Poor child. You have no idea his sister gonna be down there tomorrow. I'm gonna have to tell him tomorrow when I land. I ain't messed with him though. So I gotta be there for him. No matter what, I gotta be there for him. I promised my mommy that, and I'm gonna do that. So if you don't got nobody, you just know he got me. He know he got me. Like, I don't even have to say it to him. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. Alright, bye y'all. So I am doing laundry, and my clothes is drying right now. I will let go. Well, not, listen, I said it for an hour, but let's see what the timer says. I have 43 minutes. Look at this. People all the natural TV. That shit big too. But yeah, I have 43 minutes. So I'm walking to Dollar Tree down the block, like a 20-minute walk. Not the one I always go to, a different one, because I'm looking for something and they don't have it. I only been to this one time, man. It's like I forgot there's a Dollar Tree down there. And it was far, so I was not about to walk all the way down there. But outside nice today, so I'm telling about you, New York City. This place is very confusing. No. There's a plane. Look at the plane. On a plane. I'm gonna put on the plane tomorrow. Wait a shit. But nah. Yeah, the weather is nice today. It is 40 something degrees. I'm sure. What a 51. But whatever, because I'm gonna be in Jamaica tomorrow anyway. So gonna be hotter than this. I feel overdressed. I got my winter coat on and some jeans and sneakers and a sweater, and I feel overdressed. I haven't been down here in a while, but they have a movie theater down here. The last time I've been down here was in the summertime, and not last year, probably the year before, if I'm mistaken. But yeah, I'm going. See that blue building all the way? See that blue building right there? I'm going past it. I'm going past it. So that's a movie theater right there. So I'm like, how many blocks? 4 or 5 blocks from the movie theater. Playing there again, yes. After I finish laundry, I'm gonna go do my nails and my feet. I'm gonna do my eyebrows myself. The time is 6 o'clock, and I'm just now about to go get my nails done because I had a long day. Laundry, then I had to go do a little last minute shopping, and then I was about to leave out without it's chilly out here. I was about to leave out without braiding my hair. I was like, oh shit, I gotta braid my hair. I gotta put that wig on because I can't braid my hair with fresh brand new nails. Like that would have been crazy. I'm glad I remember because I would have been pissed at myself. Yeah, I'm going right by Dollar Tree. This nail spot place right here. They close at 7:30. They said. I called earlier. Right here. Hi. Yeah. Mani and the pedicure all white.
Mani and pedi all white polish, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Underway, you can kill your mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
It's been a while since I've been here.
Right up to the height of the mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby. Trying to block my mountain. I want up the name in your feet, baby. Then you'll be underway. Kill your mama, hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby. Trying to block out my fountain. I want to play in the deep, baby,
In the middle.
Underway, you can kill your mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. And rock right up to the height of my mountain
foods